Welcome to Awesome Kid. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn about sorting a list of tuples in Python. We can sort a list of tuples using item getter class of the operator module. The item getter function is passed as a key to the sorted function. If we want to sort by the first name, for example, we can pass an uh, index 0 to the item getter function. So let's see example of it. So first we are going to import item getter from operator. Import item getter. And we have list of names with tuples. First name and the last names. And now we are going to sort names by first names. So our sorted names will be, we are going to pass into sorted and pass in our names and then set key to item getter and pass in indexation 0, and we are going to print this. Let's run our script. Oh, we need to print this. So, and these are sorted by first names. And now we are going to sort names by last names. Let's clear this up. We're just going to use the same and just going to modify it. And here we are just going to change the index location to 1 and run it again. And we are just going to change this last name. So we can see, because it has the same effect with sorted by first name. So we're just going to change last name. So the result will be a little bit different. So this And now we are going to run it again. So these are sorted by first name and these are sorted by last name. We can also sort names by first name and then last name. So let's see that. Just gonna grab this again. And now we are going to pass in two index locations, 0 and 1, to item getter. So that'll be, and run our script. And here is the result. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel. Awesome code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.